Hey guys, welcome to Coordinate Caravan, and on our way to Capitol Reef today we decided last minute to take a little detour to the Burro Wash. It's a hike that takes you to some slot canyons. So anyway, we're about to take you on that little mini journey and end up at the end of a slot. So we have finished the entrance hike, I would call it that, walking through the wash and all that. We're about to go up here, and that is going to take us right to the entrance of the slots. It's getting hot. These are a different kind of Karen. Not the Karen that you're used to hearing about, who nobody likes, but these are Karens, C-A-I-R-N-S. And they are there to mark trailheads. So a lot of people have been making Karens, and just because they think they're cute and they're cool, well, they actually serve a purpose, and it's for exactly reasons like today. We're on a hiking trail that has no official markers except for at the beginning. And these Karens are strategically placed throughout this whole trail to keep people on trail and not getting lost. So if you're out on a trail, don't make a Karen because you think it's cute. You have to make a Karen
because you're Karen.
Because you're Karen. No. So people can know where they're going and coming back. They're markers.
Yeah, when we first got to this wash, we walked along the wash bed,
To the
and
left.
then we saw one of the Karens off to the edge, and it's like, oh, here's a shortcut, and sure enough, it really saved a lot of time cutting through.
Yeah, and on the way back, instead of walking back on the wash, we saw Karens, and it brought us to this particular trail, and it cut off a little bit of time. And it was a whole lot easier. I forgot to say also, on our way in yesterday, we found an amazing free camp spot right outside the entrance of Capitol Reef when you're going west, coming in from the east. Right on the right hand side, it was amazing.
Right on the river?
Oh yeah, it went right around the river. So we made it into Capitol Reef, and our goal today is to do the Cassidy Arch Trail. Come along.
Okay guys, we just finished Cassidy Arch.
And Capitol Reef National Park.
We are whipped.
Yeah.
So if you guys saw some of the footage and like what you saw, and you feel you're in shape as maybe as we are, if that's in shape,
If you're not, anyway, go ahead.
you know, try the trail. It's beautiful. Go all the way to the top. There's not really any signage telling you that you're there, but you just keep walking until you see the big opening arches.
The arch,
Unbelievable.
yeah.
Yeah, don't slip. So from here we are boondocking again tonight.
Don't know where yet.
Don't know. And then either Bryce Canyon or Zion Canyon.
Zion National Park.
Maybe Zion.
No, it's Zion National Park or Bryce Canyon.
Okay, what did I say?
Zion.
I flipped it.
Zion. Whatever.
Whatever.
I'm running this train here.
Peace
I'll
out,
take
guys.
you out. I'll take you there. Bye.
Bye. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know if it was helpful. Also, please comment below if you have any questions about the van build or suggestions about the future content as we build out this channel. Follow us along our journey on Facebook or Instagram using Corn Dog Caravan. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and tell your friends about our channel.